What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the top 5 iPhone tricks you didn't know exist. I read articles and watched numerous videos and then I picked the 5 best ones which I'll be sharing with you guys in this video. If you know of any hidden iPhone tricks, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Having said that, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first trick that you might not know about is that your iPhone can read messages to you. This is especially good if you receive long text messages and don't want to be bothered reading the entire thing. Instead, you can get your iPhone to read it to you. To do this, you're going to want to go ahead and head to settings. From settings, go to accessibility. From accessibility, you're going to want to head into spoken content and you're going to want to toggle on speak selection. From here, we'll head to our text messages and all you need to do is hold down on the message you want it to read and then you'll get options on the bottom. You'll notice you now have a speak option and once you press it, it will go ahead and read that text message. So it will read the entire message and it also works in the Notes app as well. Moving on to trick number 2 that you probably didn't know about is that you can increase the sound of your music to a higher limit. To do this, you're going to want to go into settings. From settings, you're going to want to scroll down until you see the music settings option, which is right over here. And then you're going to want to scroll down until you see EQ. Click into EQ. And the one that makes your music sound noticeably louder is called late night. And that's all you need to do. I'm not going to show you guys an example of it, but if you do it yourself, you will notice it is significantly louder than if you had that option turned off. Anyways, moving forward to trick number 3, and that is that you can set a passcode on your notes. To do this, all you're going to want to do is go into settings. From settings, scroll down until you see the notes, click into that, and then you're going to want to go into password. Then you're just going to want to go ahead and enter a password. I'm going to go ahead and make mine real quick. You can also use Face ID as well, and then hit done on the top right corner. And now if we go to our notes tab and you want to lock one of your notes, all you have to do is swipe to the right and then hit on the lock button. Then you'll enter your passcode, hit OK, and now it'll be locked. If your device has Face ID, you'll get a pop-up like this asking you to allow notes to use Face ID. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and now our note has been locked. You can see the lock icon on the left side of it. To remove it, all you have to do is do the exact same thing, and the lock will be removed. So if it is locked, I'll quickly show you guys how this works. We'll go ahead and exit that, go into notes, and then if we try to open it, we'll get this message. So this is a really cool feature if you want to keep some of your notes private when someone is looking through your phone. Moving on to number 4, and this is actually a very simple trick, but you still probably didn't know about it, and that is that if you take a screenshot, you can actually go ahead and tap and hold it, and then you'll get the option to go ahead and send it to whoever you wanted to send it to in the first place. Since most people take screenshots to send it to one of their contacts, this makes it a little bit easier to do that. Last but not least, number 5, and that is to reduce noise in phone calls. What you're going to want to do is head into settings. From settings, go to accessibility. From accessibility, scroll down until you see audio and visual. Click into that and you'll see the option to turn on phone noise cancellation. You're going to want to go ahead and toggle that on, and as it says in the description, noise cancellation reduces ambient noise in phone calls. So I definitely recommend everyone turn that option on to reduce noise in phone calls. So that basically sums up the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.